Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to post hashtags on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to post hashtags on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and we will be required to post hashtags on a post on Instagram itself. So to do that, guys, let's make a post, and let's tap on the plus button at the bottom middle of the screen, and we will be over here on the section. Let's go to the post by swiping the option at the bottom of the screen to the left, and I'll be just taking a picture for a demo post, guys, in order to show you guys how hashtags work. And let's take a photo of my keyboard, and you will be adding those hashtags or posting those hashtags on the caption section or the title section of the photo or the post on Instagram over here. So in order to post hashtags on a photo, guys, first you'll be required to write some description over there, and I'll be just writing the channel's name for demo purpose. And from over here, in order to use hashtags, guys, type in the hashtag sign first, and after that choose the hashtag relating to your photo. For example, this is the photo of keyboard. I can type a keyboard over here, and if they are available or the hashtag is, if the hashtag has been used a lot, then they will be available for you over here. Let's go with computer, and make sure to use only the related hashtags to your photo, guys. And this way, guys, if that hashtag is available with many public posts, they will be available on over here. Let's go for another one, and you can see, guys, when we write to this text, there are a lot of options appearing, which means those hashtags are available for us on Instagram, and you can choose one of those which are relating to our photo. And after adding your hashtags, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the OK button available for us. Tap on that OK button, and when you share this option, when you share this photo by tapping on the share option at the bottom of the screen, guys, your post will be shared with hashtags. And there is, this is how to post hashtags on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.